In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to use Geany editor for creating and executing Python 3 programs on Linux platform. So Geany is a popular choice of editors for creating Python code. In this tutorial, we are going to use a Raspbian operating system, which happens to be a lightweight derivative of Debian, optimized for Raspberry Pi, and I'm using a Raspberry Pi computer. But you can follow the steps on any Debian derivative Linux operating systems like Ubuntu and derivatives of Ubuntu also. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install Geany editor. So for that, the command is as follows: sudo apt get install Geany. So if you are using the latest build of Raspbian, Geany would already be installed on that build. So as soon as you start your as soon as you boot up your machine, the Geany will be available from that moment itself, because we don't have to additionally install it. It comes pre-packaged with the operating system. In case it is not installed, just run this command. You can find this command in the description down below. There are two ways we can invoke the Geany, just like we could invoke ideal E3 in two ways. The first way is from the command prompt. We just need to type Geany and it will open the Geany IDE. The other way is to go to the menu, and in the programming section you can find Geany Programmer's Editor. This is the window of Geany IDE. So here you can write your code, you can edit your code, you can directly run your code from here. It will invoke the appropriate interpreter for running your code. So let's create a Python code file. Go to File, click New with Template, and select a Py file, main.py. Okay, so this is untitled.py. This is just a template for your Python program. It has got all the necessary statements for a standard Python program. So let's see, print hello world, and let's save this particular program. It is going to ask us for the location of file. So we are going to save it in the home directory with the name untitled.py. So just edit the name of the file and it will automatically take the extension. Just click save, and here we have the command window where we can see if the file has been created in the file system. Yes, the file has already been created in the file system. So now we can directly run the program with this execute option. But before executing the program, we need to make some changes to the environment. So click here in set build commands. Again, I will tell you, go to the build, go to set build commands. Once you are in here, in the last set of options, you will find the execute command. There you will find Python single quote %f single quote. So as of now, our Geany environment has been set to execute the Python code with Python 2 interpreter. We need to change this setting so that Geany will use Python 3 interpreter in order to execute the Python programs. So just add 3 here and say OK. Now it will execute it as a Python 3 file. Let's see. Now this is the output of the program. So it says hello world, and press return to continue. So this is the simplest way we can create and execute a Python 3 program on Linux platform with Genie editor. So just give it a try to create some programs for addition, subtraction, and you will be able to appreciate how easily you can create and modify and run program using Genie editor. I mean, this editor is more convenient to the programmers than IDLE 3 editor. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on Linux, Raspberry Pi, Python, electronics and programming.